Hi, my name is Amy, and I am doing a video presentation for Rochester University. The activity I had chosen was to do a one-to-one correspondence for preschool children with a couple children using English as a second language. The materials I had chosen was to do a story that had counting included while I read the story called 5 Penguins Sliding on the Ice. I had 5 popsicle sticks with a picture of the penguins, so the counting was taking place as we were reading the story. The standard, especially with reading, would be to demonstrate that print represents spoken language. It helps the students hear the words and they can represent the counting with the story. And it helps English as a second language students to make the connection between the words. And the activity I had also done was one-to-one correspondence, counting with animal crackers. The animal crackers were used as the object to count to the number that they had on their paper. The standard would be to use real objects to count and see how many represents each number. Okay, we have 5 little penguins story today. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have a story, 5 little penguins slipping on the ice. 5 little penguins slipping on the ice. One fell down and ouch, that's not nice. The mother called the doctor and the doctor said, no more penguins slipping on the ice. 4 little penguins sliding near a tree. One fell into the icy sea. The mother called the doctor and the doctor said, no more penguins sliding near a tree. Julia, sit in your spot. So we have, how many left? 3. 3 little penguins skating all around. One flew up and then one fell down. The mother called the doctor and the doctor said, no more penguins skating all around. 2 little penguins playing on a hill. One slipped off and banged her bill. No more penguins. The mother called the doctor. The doctor said, no more penguins playing on a hill. How many penguins are left?
1.
Julia, sit up, please. 1 little penguin jumping very high broke the ice and began to cry. The mother called the doctor and the doctor said, no more penguins jumping very high. Now there's no little penguins having any fun. No little penguins, not even one. The mother called the doctor. The doctor said, let those penguins have some fun. So now they all come back. Ready? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Okay, boys and girls. In front of us, we have numbers. Okay, Camden, you have how many numbers on your paper?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4, that's right. And Kyle, you have different numbers on your paper.
5, 6, 8, 7.
Yep. So we're going to use our animal crackers, and we're going to place our animal crackers on the number. So Camden, how many animal crackers will you put on this square? 1. Kyle, how many animal crackers will you put on this number?
5.
Okay, so you guys can go ahead and count your numbers and put your animal crackers with the same amount of. Can you count as you do them?
Do I need to?
Okay, look, you have dots on your paper. So how many animal crackers can go on the dot? One. That's right. So then this one can come off, right? So that's a number one. So how many crackers will you put on this square? Ayush, how many crackers go on this paper? Yeah, that's one.
Only one.
Okay, Julia, what's the next number?
1, 3, 2, 5.
Julia, you're almost done. What's the next?
2, 3, 4.
Jog, Ayush. What number is this?
1, 2, 3.
Let's count down. 1,
2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6. That's 6. Can you count them?
Sammy, look at what I did.
6. That's right. Okay. Now how many are you going to put on this paper? Over here with this number.
Sammy.
You did it, Julia. Good job. High five.
Sammy, look at me.
Ayush, how many do you have? What's this one? 1. How many are here? Can you point and count them? Point.
2.
Use your finger.
2.
1, 2. Use your finger, Ayush. Show me. Right here. Count. Touch. 1.
8. You can't do all with them, boy.
Deborah, can you point to your crackers
Can't
and
do
count them?
all with them.
1. Okay, now how many are here? Count 1,
8.
2.
Look at them.
Can you point to your crackers and count them?
Some more. Yes. And that would have
Point to the
more.
crackers. 1.
See? Don't take all with them.
That's it. Kyle has big numbers, right?
He's taking all of them. He's taking all of them.
He has big numbers, Julia.
Well, we need some more.
We'll get some more, okay, when we're done.
I got 7.
Let's see. Let's try it. Point to them and count them. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4. What we got each?
You need how many? You need more.
7.
Should we put some dots on there?
Hey, Miss Amy, I count these.
Okay, so Kyle,
I count
we
them.
put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you match the crackers onto the dots? 1.
2, 3. I count mine.
5. And how many dots do you have? So we need to put how many more
Miss Amy.
on this number?
Miss
Yep. Can
Amy.
you get the animal crackers? Here.
Miss Amy. Miss Amy.
What, Julia?
I count mine.
Yep. You did a very good job.
Miss Amy,
There you go, Kyle. Did we do it?
Now can we eat mine? Now
Okay.
can we eat it?
All right, guys. You guys did a good job. Thank you. Good job, guys. In conclusion, the children really seemed to enjoy the activities. They were counting with me when we were doing our story, and they enjoyed using the animal crackers to count with. I would do this again. I would switch around the groups a little bit with the one-to-one counting activity with the animal crackers. I would put them into smaller groups. The one child with the higher numbers, he can easily recognize them, but he had a harder time counting out the animal crackers to his numbers. So I would like to give him the smaller numbers and make it easier for him to count it out with. And then the other student, he doesn't recognize higher numbers, but he did it very easily without the dots even. So I would like to give him higher numbers and work with him with the counting 1 to 1 as well with those numbers. The students using English as a second language, I would like to put them together or individually to do more speaking with them, either more exchange of words or just do parallel speaking with them, just to keep the language going. I think that I should record the kids every time when I'm trying to do an activity with them, simply because they really enjoyed being on the camera, and they enjoyed it, I enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.